Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got like this little blue. I'm going to call it sea blue. Yeah, let's call it sea blue. So this is like my go-to routine. If I'm in a rush, I just kind of toss some colors together and just call it a day. But I'm starting out with the Makeup Revolution pencil. This is in the shade dark brown. I know a couple people have asked me about that. So Makeup Revolution dark brown is the shade, and I'm just tracing my brows out. And then from there, I'm just going to go in and clean them up with the e.l.f. concealer. It's in the shade Deep Cinnamon. So once you have your concealer and stuff blended out and you've applied your base, I applied the Anastasia Beverly Hills base. I mean, I've done it in all of my other videos. I was like, hey, let's just save some time. You don't have to go in and show that, so I didn't show that. But once you have your base, I'm going in with my Car Beauty palette. This is the Pro ES 119 palette. It has these really pretty browns in it. I absolutely love this palette. Y'all know I'm all for browns and like fall colors. That's just my zhush. But I try to step out of the box for y'all. It doesn't always work, but you know, we try and see what we can do. But anyway, you want to go in and you want to do a brown. I am learning that me personally, I like a brown as my transition color, especially if I'm going to be doing like bright colors. Just the brown just kind of softens it and just brings it all together for me. Again, it's just a personal preference. I know that you can go in with actual colors and do it, but just, I don't know, just something about that brown just kind of makes me happy and just kind of softens that up. So I'm using the brown, and then from there we're going to be going in with the Juvia's Place Wahala 2 palette and just adding some color to this. So y'all know my favorite thing in the world to do is just slap a deep color on the end and go in with a lighter shade on the inner corners or like my lid portion and just call it a day. Nobody has time for the extra stuff, especially when I'm running late. So what we did was just use that teal. It's like a darker teal in the palette, kind of like a blue a little bit, and I just use that on the outer corners, not going past the arch of my brow. This is just how I like mine. It's not how you gotta do yours, okay? And besides, I knew that I planned on not cutting the crease today, so I was like, let's not go all the way in, you know, let's save yourself some time and some work here. So just applying the lighter shade of the shimmer blue now, but I felt like it's not popping, and it could be a lot more popping. So I'm going to go in with the glitter from the Car Beauty palette, the Glitz and Glamour palette. I'll show you guys that next, just to kind of make this pop out a smidget more than what it already is. So here we are with the glitter palette I was telling you guys about, and I'm going in with like that teal shimmer. Once again, the teal glitter, I guess we could say. I'm kind of showing you guys here. I wanted it to kind of match the shadow just a little bit, and then from there I went in with like a white glitter. I don't know if you guys can see it in that palette as well. You might have to go back and pause. But there is a white shimmer glitter in there, and I went in on the inner corners just to kind of make this pop a little bit more. I'm pretty sure I've done a look like this before, but who cares? We're going to do it again, honey. I am going to be having a colored look up where I'm talking, in a video. I'm probably going to record that on Saturday, and it should be up Sunday or either Saturday, depending on if you guys are nice to me or not, you know. That may or may not be up Saturday. So I tried to be fancy today, y'all, and I actually went in with like a color corrector under my eyes because I was like, you know what, sometimes that can be a little bit dark. So I went in just to correct that, and then I'm now going in with my foundation. This is in the shade 525. I keep saying 535, but it's 525, and this is L'Oreal. So going in and just applying that. You guys know this. You guys, you've been here. You know what's going on, okay? I've also been trying to allow my concealer to dry down a little bit more because Auntie Jackie say that's what you need to do with your life. So while my concealer is drying, I'm going in with my Ari Jane Beauty lashes. This is in the style Seduction, definitely one of my faves. But I'm going in with those and just applying them, getting all cutesy, making sure they lay right. And then I'm going to go in and blend out my concealer. The concealer is the same shade that we use under our brows. It's in the shade Deep Cinnamon, and it is by e.l.f. Cosmetics. Okay, so now I am going in with my e.l.f. Cosmetics concealer. Sorry, I got kind of confused there. The e.l.f. Cosmetics concealer, this is in the shade Rich Ebony, and I'm using that to contour. I'm using the hydrating one. I used to use the camo, but the camo is a little bit too dehydrating for me, which is really weird for me to say that, and I have oily skin, but it is. It's a little bit too much, you know what I'm saying? So I decided to hydrate. Once again, just kind of letting that concealer just sit and build up before I actually blend that out. So I seriously might just keep on doing this because Auntie Jackie ain't never steered me wrong, okay? And I know she had told me this before, but for whatever reason I kind of got out of it, so I'm back into it. But I like just kind of keeping the concealer sitting for a little bit and just patting it out. I feel like I get so much more coverage. I also like color correcting under my eyes. Like, it helped with the bags and the silliness under my eyes, so I will be doing that going forward. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Medium 30 setting powder, and I'm using that just to set all of my face before I bake with the Black Radiance banana powder. I seriously did try Makeup Revolution again because somebody was like, it is just so good, you have to try it. I tried it again earlier this week, and yeah, it's a no for me. Every time I use it, it's a no for me. Like, it's just not going to work. So me and Makeup Revolution, we are not a thing. But the Black Radiance powder has been like the best powder ever. I did try to go to Target too and get the Beauty Bakery what do you call that, the setting powder from there, and they were out. Seal, they were out. I just need to go to Ulta and stop playing with my life, but you know, I just won't. But I did get a macaroon, I think that's what they're called, a little macaroon, not contour, a little bronzer. It's like a really deep shade bronzer, and that thing is deep, honey. I did use it today, but be careful with that because it is super, super deep. Now I'm going in with my Black Radiant setting powder. This is the banana setting powders I was just telling you guys about. And I am setting down that nose and under my eyes just to kind of brighten that up a little bit. Y'all know I love a good bright under eye, and I love the way this sets my nose in place and just kind of gives me a all natural contour without me going so far. You know what I would absolutely love as a brown skin woman is if y'all could just give me a shade that I could contour with and it looks super duper natural. Like, that's what I need in my life. Lighter women, they have that, and I've seen their nose be snatched to the gods, honey. I'm like, the only other shade that I know that could fit on me would be my foundation shade, and if I use that as my contour, I don't know that it would actually work. You know what? I might try that. I might try that shit. I don't know. Maybe I just came up with something. I'll try that tomorrow and see if my setting powder for my foundation actually works as my contour. Alright, so now we're just going to finish up this look by doing our lips, just using a brown pencil and our lipstick, just a nude shade and lipstick. These are actually the samples that I ordered about 3-4 weeks ago. They finally got here. Oh, y'all talking about somebody being pissed with the vendor. I don't even want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it, but you know, just get you a cute little brown, get you a cute little nude if that's what you like, and just go ahead and apply that. Nude to me just goes with everything. Y'all know I don't like color on my lips, just not my thing. I'll do color on my eyes, but not on my lips. For whatever reason, I just don't like it. Now I'm just going in and I'm just patting all of the excess into my skin. The excess banana powder, sorry, make sure I tell y'all what that is. Just patting that all into the skin and just blending that out. Whatever is left over that I can't blend out, I'm going to go ahead and use a brush to just kind of, you know, get it all blended. Okay, so now I'm going in and I'm going to set with my Maybelline fixing spray. Y'all, I really gotta find that Maven Beauty setting spray because that was the truth. Okay, it's around here somewhere. I just got to find it. I really do need to clean up my makeup room. Child, I got so much on my list of things to do. But you're just gonna set all of that in place, and that is it for this look. Let me stay focused. If you guys have made it here, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Yeah, and leave me some positive comments. You know what I'm saying? Do what you do. Just watch my shoes. All right, I love y'all. Bye.